Hey, how are you? Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
Oh, I'm all right, Chris. How you doing?
Great, good to see you again.
Good to be back.
Good to have you.
You know, I'm here for a cocktail.
Okay.
Maybe something with apricots.
Oh, apricots, huh?
Yeah, apricots.
Well, okay.
You got anything with apricots?
Do you like gin?
Yeah.
All right, well, I found a great drink in the book of The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks by David Embry. It's the Apricot Cocktail.
That's what it's called?
The Apricot Cocktail.
The
Yes.
Apricot Cocktail?
Not a Apricot Cocktail, the Apricot Cocktail.
Well, if it's the Apricot Cocktail, it must be a good one.
It is. It's very simple. 3 ingredients. Do you want to give it a shot today?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Let's go.
The
Apricot Cocktail.
The.
We're doing 1.5 ounces of the blended and dry gin into a cocktail mixing glass. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of the Apricot Liqueur.
Everything's the now.
It's the drink. It's the drink.
How about the orange bitters?
The orange bitter. Well, the Regan orange bitters. We're going to just do 1 dash. And that's your 3 spirits right there. We're going to add ice to your mixing glass.
We're gonna add the ice.
We're going to add the ice. Caught me slipping. With the bar spoon, we are going to give it a quick stir. And with the julep strainer, we're going to strain into a chilled coupe glass.
Into the
chilled coupe glass. We're going to serve up. And this, in the Apricot Cocktail, requires no garnish whatsoever.
Doesn't need it.
Doesn't need it.
Because it's the
Apricot Cocktail.
Give it a try.
Give it a shot. Hope you like it.
Cheers.
Cheers. So what do you think?
I can taste the apricot.
Okay, great.
Tastes like apricot gin.
Perfect.
It's pretty refreshing, actually.
Incredible.
More refreshing than you would think.
All right. Well, David Embry knows that.
He knew his apricots.
I will keep on reading his book and keep on creating great cocktails from him. If you like this cocktail, if you like the cocktail, I was waiting for you to. Please like our video, subscribe.
Like the video.
Like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe to the Blue Collar Bar for many more cocktails like this one. And I'm also on the Instagram.
The Instagram
at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you very much.
All right, Chris.
Great to see you.
Great to see you.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.